The test tracking functionality in Vertigo is contained within the grids of the testing section of the application. There are 3 different grids associated with the 3 different subsystems of safety instrumented systems, specifically the sensor testing grid, the logic solver testing grid, and the final element testing grid. Although you will see different grids for different subsystems, they're laid out in essentially the same way. You'll see tag and service description as you would several other places in the application, along with the instrument type. Then you'll see information related to testing for each individual instrument. That includes the test interval in months, the date that the last test was performed, and the due date for the next test. And then finally, over on the far right hand side, you'll see the status lights, with green meaning that the testing is up to date, yellow meaning that testing is due to be completed soon, and red meaning that the test is past due. Now you'll also see gray lights, and when a gray light is shown, it means that that specific device is not in the pool for testing. The reason might be that it might be an obsoleted device that has been taken out of service or decommissioned, or it might mean that the device has not been put into service yet or commissioned. So all of that information is available on the testing grids. And there's also another very powerful feature that you'll see in the top right corner here that says create tests for all sensors. And when you click that, it's going to allow you to create a test for all of the instruments or all the sensors that are in the database. And this is a very powerful tool because it's very common for facilities that do turnaround testing to test all of their instruments in a facility at the same time. So it's easiest to create one entry to put a past test result in for all instruments, and then possibly go back and change any failed tests by exception. So that's a powerful time-saving tool that's available in the grid view.